Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. I recorded a video of how to bypass secure boot and TPM 2.0 in Windows 11. Now I have mentioned some very good tips and tricks in this video that basically you can use it to bypass the TPM. However, lately many users are commenting that none of these methods are working. So I thought I must find another method to bypass TPM 2.0. Well, the thing is, I found a method, and that is Windows 11 Unlocked as the title of the video. Now, Windows 11 Unlocked is an addition of the Windows 11, basically where the TPM 2.0 cores have been removed from the core of the operating system. Some coder or maybe a developer, you can call it, they have simply errored the ISO or the actual Windows, and they have simply basically used it to remove the TPM 2.0. Now I have some theories. Here is the fix this PC can't install Windows 11 new method. If you open it inside the IntoZoom.com, I have some theories regarding how they have done it. But again, you can just go ahead, read it, and let me know your thought. And I am not an expert in this one. Let me know. I have these two theories that I have explained here, and they may have used it to create the Windows 11 ISO Unlocked Edition. So I have already downloaded the Windows 11 Unlocked Edition, and I have to show you. Here is the ISO of the Windows 11 Unlocked Edition. So here is it is 3.48 GB. Now if you are thinking how you can get the Windows 11 Unlocked Edition, you can come here inside the IntoZoom.com. I have pinned this post. Download Windows 11 ISO image legally for free. Now if you open it, the very first thing is that I have mentioned some legal ways that you can download the Windows 11 ISO directly from official Microsoft's website. So here just scroll down and you can see that these are the method. It is performed on Windows 10, but again when Windows 11 will arrive, you can get it from there. And here's also the yoyodump.net. You can also get it from here, and in the end I have put some links. In any case, if you cannot get it from above, then you can get it from here. So here you can have a look here. All the versions of the Windows 11 insider previews are available here. I have provided the links. So the very first thing is, it is the Windows 11 22,000.51 ISO, and it is located in the Google Drive. If you click on it and click on the download, it's going to download a txt file, and then open it on your computer. Now once you open it, simply copy this link, and again you have to come up here and open it inside a new tab. You can get the ISO. However, there is also two other links. Here is 51 and 65, part 1, part 2, and then part 3. Once you click on it, it is going to download, but it is not, these links are not available in every country. So that's why I inserted this link. You can get it from here. So once you got the 22,000.51 version, you can update them to the latest version, which is 71. Now the 71 ISO, I can at the moment I could not find it, but when I find it, I will insert it here. But regarding to the Windows 11 unlocked version, as I said before, the TPM codes have been removed from the core of the OS. So now you can simply install it inside any computer without using any of the bypass method that is mentioned in the video or that is mentioned in this article. Sorry, the article is basically here. You can also visit here. So everything is explained with the step-by-step guide with how the which method is good for you. And in the end, here are the download links for the 22,000.65. All the versions of the Windows is available. Windows 11, like the Windows 11 Home, Pro, Education, Workstation, and Enterprise. Everything is available in here, and it is around 5.43 GB. But as I said before, these links are not available in the every country. But in the end, here is the Windows 11 22,000.71 Pro and Enterprise, and it is the unlocked edition. Here is part 1 and then part 2. Again, as I said before, these two are from the Iranian sites, and basically the main site is this one. If you are familiar with version, you can just simply come here and then get it from here exactly. So you can see that. Okay, no, I'm not looking for this one, I'm looking for the other version. Yeah, here is the other version, 20,000.71. If you click on it, it is going to open, but here you can see that part 1 and then part 2, it is 64-bit and it is Windows 11 Pro and Enterprise. You can get it exactly from here. However, as I said before, these links are not available in the every country, so you cannot get it. That's why I created the torrent image. So you can just click on it and then download the torrent image on your computer and then download it using the BitTorrent or uTorrent, whatever you are familiar with. Now you can see that I have downloaded this one. Now to download it, just go ahead, search on Google for BitTorrent. Now download the BitTorrent on your computer and simply open it and it will start downloading on your computer. So this is basically the Windows 11 Unlocked Edition. So I hope you have liked this video, and also let me know your thoughts if you are an expert in this section regarding to the theories of this thing that I have mentioned, that how they have created the Windows 11 Unlocked Edition. So there is no need for you to basically run the other methods to bypass the TPM 2.0. So if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe into Guide YouTube channel and hit the like button if you like it. If you are thinking that it does not deserve the like button, hit the dislike and let me know the reason in the comment section. So have a nice day and goodbye.